Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of coin sorting with what we believe is the best coin funnel on the market. The 252 coin wrappers with coin sorter tubes by Nadex. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by loose change and looking for an efficient way to organize your coins, then you're in the right place. Let's take a closer look at what makes this product a game changer for both individuals and small businesses alike. This set includes a total of 252 pieces, featuring color-coded coin sorting tubes designed to make counting and rolling your coins faster and more efficient. The vibrant colors, blue, green, orange, and red, allow you to quickly identify which tube corresponds to each denomination, eliminating any guesswork. Each tube is funnel-shaped, ensuring that your coins slide in easily without any mess. Using these tubes is simple and intuitive. Just grab your loose coins, place them in the top of the funnel, and watch as they cascade down into the tube. It's that easy. This design not only saves you time but also prevents spillage, which can often happen with traditional sorting methods. No more wasting time picking up coins off the floor. One of the standout features of these sorting tubes is their capacity. Each tube is designed to hold a significant number of coins, making it perfect for those who regularly deal with large amounts of change. Plus, the sturdy plastic construction ensures durability, so you can rely on them for years to come. Once you've sorted your coins, wrapping them up is a breeze. This set includes pre-formed wrappers that fit perfectly with the tubes, allowing you to roll your coins securely and store them without any hassle. The color-coded system continues to shine here, helping you keep track of your wrapped coins by denomination. Whether you're a small business owner dealing with daily transactions or just someone looking to tidy up your home, the Nadex coin sorter tubes provide an organized solution for managing your coins. The ease of use, coupled with the clever design, makes this product stand out in a crowded market. To sum it all up, if you're searching for the best way to sort and wrap your coins efficiently, the 252 coin wrappers with coin sorter tubes is an excellent investment. Not only does it save you time and effort, but it also helps keep your space organized and clutter-free. You can find this fantastic product on Amazon for just $9.99, which is a steal for the quality and quantity you receive. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Until next time, happy sorting!